Alright guys, so right now I'm at Treasure Beach. Yeah man, in St. Elizabeth. I'm at Lashing Beach Club. So right here guys, we're at Treasure Beach. Lashing Beach Club. This is where you enter. Nice and beautiful guys. It's gonna be a night video. Wow, place is nice, clean. Nice atmosphere, you know, nice settings. Just taking a walk around and just show you guys how it look like. Yeah, it's the first time I'm coming here. So right here you have a pool. And then right now we're just overlooking the ocean too, but it's dark so we can't see the water, you know. Nice settings. I don't know what these are, but they have a different name to it, like guava, pineapple. Yeah. And then over there they have the bar, and then the kitchen. Lashing Beach Club. Food and drinks. Kitchen there.
I did mine, my regular selfies like this. So no way, no picture camera.
Nice setting, guys. I like the natural with the coconut tree. Then you have like the banana trees. So right here is where you're going down on the beach. Go a little bit closer so you can hear. I know you guys can't see it, but go on the sand, you know. See, it look like they have like the campfire down here too, you know. So I don't know if you guys could hear the ocean in the background. Don't go too far. See all these nice settings, so you could just have a chair where you can just have a seat and just listen to the ocean, you know. If you want to sit closer down to the beach, here they have table here. Hello. Right here is the cheeseburger, fries, and right here we have the grilled fish with festival and a little bit of salad on the side. Yeah, so right here I have rice and peas, jerk chicken with some vegetables. See, barbecue chicken, vegetables, and some rice and peas. And then I have some festival here. Yes guys, so food tastes really good, as you can see. The vegetable and the rice and peas, jerk chicken, really nice. Flavor, real good. Real nice. Alright, look at this guys. Yeah man, nice. Wow. So what do you think of the restaurant?
It's good.
It was good?
Yeah.
You enjoy the food?
Yeah.
So what do you think about the whole scenery?
The scenery is good.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's better in the day though, because in the night you can't see anything. But
Yeah.
for persons coming in the day, you have way more to see.
Alright. What do you think about the whole atmosphere, the
Lovely.
food? Lovely?
Lovely.
The food?
Yeah.
Alright.
Really good. The atmosphere is really, really nice. The whole settings, food. I wish they had more on the menu though, but other than that, it's really good.
It was good?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think about the food?
It was okay.
It was okay? Alright. Alright guys, so it was good. The food was good. The whole atmosphere, like the settings was good. The food was good. So yeah, I recommend come and check it out. Lashing Beach Club in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth.